If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.